So the question today is Trump a puppet, or is he very quickly reaching Biden levels of age, uh, cognitive age, I guess I would say. Why do I ask this question? Is it fair to ask this question? Well, I think it's fair. What do you think?
Building the foundation and getting going. We need to do this for America.
Are we doing something about the regulatory in here?
No,
So, what does it say right here? Trump signs executive orders to boost nuclear power. Now, I'm all for that. If you follow me on Twitter, um, Dempsey Theater, you will know that I believe that nuclear power is a must. We should have a Manhattan-like project in research, in fusion power, um, developing smaller, more efficient reactors. I have, I certainly don't have the expertise or the know-how, but was wondering if we can build such small reactors that we can have them on nuclear submarines. Why can't we have something like that strategically placed around the United States with an interconnected power grid so that when other places need more power, they can draw from the grid from across the country?